this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LED projector to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which mini LED projector model you have, you will be able to set it up and connect it to your iPhone. This will also work for Android devices. For this video, I chose this particular model because I believe it is very popular, but if you have a different one, you can usually just follow the same instructions that I give you here, so don't worry if yours looks different. They will most likely include all of the necessary cables for you to get this done, but if they don't, you will need to look for replacements. So first, on the DC in port, this is where the projector will get power. So plug it in here first. The connector is going to be very distinctive, very easy to notice, because there will be a power brick attached to it. This power brick will go into any standard wall outlet to give the projector power. Next, you will have an HDMI port and a USB port. A lot of these projectors will include a two-piece cable or a two-in-one, where you will be plugging the HDMI end on the HDMI port and the USB end, which is also attached to the same cable, in the USB port. This is usually done so you can charge your phone while it is connected. So the USB port will be used for charging while you have it connected to the HDMI port simultaneously. The other end will go into your phone. So this is how the power brick looks. This is going to go into the wall, and this end here is going to go into the DC in port. And like I said before, all that you have to do now is use the other end, which is usually USB-C, and plug this end into your phone. If your iPhone has a Lightning port instead, then you will most likely need to purchase a Lightning to USB-C adapter. Either way, once the cable has been properly connected and you have the phone connected to the HDMI port and optionally the USB port as well, it is good to go. Now the projector will receive the input from the phone, and anything that is on its screen will be projected. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.